Sustainability is perhaps the hot topic in food and drink right now, with both buyers and consumers increasingly seeking out products and brands with good environmental and social performance. And knowing where food comes from, moving away from single-use packaging and switching to low-carbon diets are all trends that are here to stay. But they also represent seismic shifts in the way consumers buy food. So for many food and drink businesses, a challenge is knowing where to begin with sustainability and how to build it into their future plans. And this is what the Sustainability Challenge is designed to help with. Launching in the autumn, the Sustainability Challenge is a series of free online masterclasses that are tailored specifically to equip food and drink businesses with the practical know-how to take advantage of this significant and growing market demand for sustainable products and brands. Free to Welsh food and drink businesses, participants will get access to inspiring advice and guidance from industry experts, from exemplar businesses and guest speakers, and critically, you will learn how to use tried and tested approaches to help you build better businesses. So we're going to be offering introductory and advanced sessions, and so whether you're a business that's new to sustainability or whether you're already working on some elements and would like to do more, this new programme can benefit you.